If your computer speaker stops working and you don't have any other option to get the audio output, here's a solution for you. If you have an Android phone, you can use it as an external speaker for your computer. In this video, I'll show you two ways to use an Android phone as a computer speaker via Wi-Fi and USB. To turn your Android phone into a PC speaker, we'll need to use an application called AudioRelay. To download the application, visit the audiorelay.net website. AudioRelay lets you stream your PC's audio to your phone in real time via Wi-Fi and USB. First of all, you need to download the AudioRelay PC client. You can download Windows, Linux or macOS version depending on your computer. After downloading, install it. After installation, launch the application. Now, head over to your Android phone. Install the AudioRelay app on your phone from Play Store. Method 1. Use phone as PC speaker via Wi-Fi. First, let's turn your Android phone into a wireless speaker. For that, make sure your Android phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, launch the AudioRelay app on your phone. To connect your phone to the PC, you have to enter your PC's IP address here. You can check the computer's IP address from the PC client and enter that manually on the Android app to make a connection. Once connected, you'll see your Android phone listed under the connection section in the PC client. Now you can play something on your PC and you'll hear the audio output from your phone speaker. Make sure your PC's sound volume is full so that the audio is loud enough on your phone. You can adjust the phone's sound level from the PC client. If you find any issue with the audio quality, you can change the audio output from OpenSL to audio track. This may increase the latency a little bit, but you will have a better audio quality. To enhance the audio quality further, you can upgrade to the premium version, which will let you stream uncompressed audio with a higher bandwidth. To stop streaming the audio, just tap on the stop button within the Android app. Method 2. Use phone as a PC speaker via USB. If you don't have Wi-Fi or if you find the wireless connection laggy, you can use the AudioRelay in USB mode. So follow the steps to turn your Android phone into a wired speaker via USB. First, connect your Android to your PC via USB cable. Then, in the AudioRelay Android app, go to Settings and make sure the USB tethering is enabled. Next, you have to enable USB tethering on your phone. To do so, open the Settings app. Tap on Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Here, turn on the USB tethering. Now, go back to the AudioRelay app. Under the Servers section, it should detect a new entry with your PC name. If it doesn't detect automatically, you can also connect the PC manually. As you can see in the PC client, it has got new IP address from the USB tethering. You just need to enter this IP address on the Android app. Now, you can play anything on your PC to stream the audio via your phone speaker. When you're not using AudioRelay, I'd suggest you open the control panel and disable the AudioRelay virtual device from the sound setting, as it may conflict with your computer's inbuilt speaker output. You can enable it again when using the AudioRelay app.